Watching your crazy cats, and welcome to Dazzle Rebel Rides. Now, today it is a review video, but it's a review video that's a little bit different than normal because tonight I'm reviewing a bike night. Yes folks, how you doing? Dazzle Rebel here, and I'm on my way to the Major Oak in Arnold in Nottingham, or just outside of Nottingham, for the Arnold Bikers Tuesday night bike night. Now these guys are a friendly bunch of people, and although the venue sometimes changes, the people are always absolutely blinding. So let's take a closer look, shall we? Right. I sit there, mate.
Yeah, see you, mate.
No worries. See you, mate. Thank you. Cheers.
Well done, babe.
No worries. Take care, guys. See you later. Well folks, that's the Arnold Bikers Bike Night, and would you believe it, and this is no swizz, okay, I love the guys anyway, it's a great bike night and you should go. I'm not saying it's because it's happened, but for the second week on the trot I won the £26 on the raffle. So I won the raffle, and I also, they did this at the end of the season, because this is coming towards the end of the season now. They do the best bike event as well, so they go around, and I bloody won it, didn't I? So I'm not reviewing this in a biased way, honestly. I'm absolutely thrilled. I didn't even know my bike was actually entered in the competition at all. But for some reason, I won best bike. So thank you guys. But seriously, if you want a nice environment where you speak to other bikers who are properly down to earth, salt the earth characters, they do a lot of good for charity, these guys. And you know, there's not the most flash bikes there. You know, there's not these sort of £80,000 brush superiors. You don't get a load of show-offs there, so if you want to sort of show off your riding skills by putting wheelies and burnouts and that sort of thing, it's not that kind of bike event. It's just a good family, wholesome biker meet-up, and the Arnold Bikers are a cracking bunch. They do a lot for charity, and if you're in the area on a Tuesday night, check out their Facebook page and pop down to one. I guarantee you, you'll be made to feel welcome. So I've switched to my yellow visor because it's getting quite dark now. Now the cameras are probably quite good at picking up the light actually, so it probably looks a lot lighter than it actually is. But it is actually quite dark now. You can definitely tell summer's coming in to an end because it's 9 o'clock and the sun is actually pretty much set. It's very much dusk. Well, so that's my review this week. Next week I have my August list video, and it is 5 bikes that I really want to ride. So as always, if you like to ride, be sure to subscribe, bash that notification bell, bash that notification girl if you want, but you know, you might get done for GBH. Bash that notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Definitely coming up to the end of summer, aren't we? It's definitely on its way. It's getting a lot colder. The nights are starting to draw in. And you know what I've got in my head right now? What song I've got playing through my head? I've got the Isley Brothers, Summer Breeze. I would play it right now, but I'll probably get a copyright strike for it, so I won't.